The purpose of this project is to understand how local fauna interact with 3D hollows compared to that of our traditional nest boxes.
A prosthetic hollow is a place where animals nest and shelter. A lot of animals will nest in tree hollows. We can help by installing prosthetic hollows in trees. We're trialling 3 different techniques. We're using computer-aided design and manufacturing, and we're using 3 different materials. So 3D printed wood, as you can see here, mycelium, the root-like structures of mushrooms, and hempcrete. And we're comparing those designs to existing, more conventional nest boxes. On this site, we're expecting small parrots, and we're also expecting sugar gliders, and we're hoping that phascogales will use them too. So to monitor the designs, we've put cameras into trees. These cameras are automated, and when wildlife comes and inspects the hollows, it automatically triggers and sends us images of the species using it. And we'll compare those results between the different materials and with conventional nest boxes.
This project is really important because we're able to manage our environmental impacts during construction. Inland Rail are really proud to be working with our construction partner McConnell Dowell and the University of Melbourne.
It's exciting to be able to look into how we can better match the shapes and materials of natural hollows, and I think the wildlife will benefit from it.